increase. Two, three, four. Oh, I have another set. Oh, that's good. 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4. An increase. Oh yeah, that's more like it. I was thinking, I was like, did I mess up again? One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. Hey, what? I'm missing 3 stitches? How? What? Question mark? I'm missing 3 stitches from this. 3 plus 5 plus 2. What? This would be 6. 30, 32. No. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 30. Yeah. What? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Oh. Okay, let's just add 1 here then. It's whatever. That's 36. Now we're gonna do row 7. Single crochet the first. And boom. Oh, what's that? Hey, yo! Oh, what a... Oh my god, look at that. Damn. That is something else. 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we increase on the 6th stitch.